What is up guys, this is Fact Circle. You're watching some random interesting facts, so let's move to the video. The quokka, the happiest animal on earth. Tongue has no bones, but it is strong enough to hurt someone, so choose your words carefully. People have more empathy for abused puppies and dogs than they do for adult humans who have been abused, a study suggests. A Russian doctor had to remove his own appendix after it burst because he was the only doctor in remote Soviet research station in Antarctica and he survived. British artist Jessica Harrison creates fake eyelashes with fly legs. The most effective way to memorize things is to take 17 minutes break for every 52 minutes of study. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Did you know Jackie Chan was in his mother's womb for more than 12 months? One of the most difficult sexual position is the standing position. Did you know mosquitoes are strongly attracted to the people who have recently eaten bananas? This is how Chinese soldiers keep their posture. Amazon logo shows a smile from A to Z in the name to signify that the company is willing to deliver everything to everyone anywhere in the world. This guy grew up poor in Iowa, never married, had no children, worked as a carpenter for 67 years. He spent his life saving to send 33 students to college. The average person has 100,000 hairs on his or her head. Each hair grows about 5 inches every year. An individual blood cell takes about 60 seconds to make complete circuit of the body. Sperm whale is the loudest animal on the planet and are so loud that they can vibrate you to death. In 1965, a 4-year-old nearly drowned at a beach but was rescued by a woman named Alice. 9 years later, the boy saved a man on the same beach that was Alice's husband. Hundreds years ago, everyone owned a horse and only reached on cars. At present, everyone owns cars but only reach on horse. Myth: chameleons change color to blend with their environment. Fact: they change their color to reflect their mood. Most dangerous creature on the earth is a fake friend. Medical studies suggest that running gives you more hours than it takes. If you spend 1 hour running, then it adds up to 3 hours of life to you. Did you know the only jointless bone in your body is the hyoid bone in your throat? 1 to 3% of population are known as sleepless elites. The group of people routinely get 6 hours of sleep daily and remain totally functional. The Avengers were the real team of Jewish assassins that tracked down and executed the Nazi war criminals after World War II. Women who wear red are found to be more attractive by men, and also there are higher chances that they would be asked on a date. Once you begin to dislike someone, everything they do tends to annoy you. The amount of time a traffic light stays yellow corresponds with the first digit of the speed limit. Fine of 60,000 rupees, that is 700 euros, will be charged from men who whistle or make vulgar comments at women in France. Did you know 70% of people enjoy old songs because of the memory they have attached to them? Did you know Sony sold Walkman in bottle of water to prove it was really waterproof? Graphene aerogel, the lightest solid material created. Did you know intelligent people tends to have less friends than average person? The smarter you are, the more selective you become. Adding vodka to your shampoo strengthens your hair, prevent dry scalp and stop dandruff. Did you know cuteness inspires aggression, which is why we often want to squeeze things we find cute. India has the lowest divorce rate in the world. Out of 1,000 marriages, only 13 result in divorce. A French convict used oranges painted like granite to escape prison via helicopter. A kick in the nuts is about 9000 del of pain, which is equivalent to giving birth to 160 kids or 3200 bones getting crushed at a time. After a baby hippo lost his family in a flood, a 103-year-old tortoise became his best friend and cared for him. When it's cold enough to see the melody. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.